Hi, do you have a pair of amazing sounding Sennheiser HD555 headphones, but the earpads look worse than a garbage container in your backyard? Today I'll show you how to remove and change those very old, dirty and bad-smelling pads with new ones. I chose brown color pads, similar to those used on the Sennheiser HD595 series. The link to the replacement pads is in the video description. First, grab the earpad and pull it off. It is attached to the headphones with plastic hooks. As you can see, these pads are extremely dirty. I hope you are not eating right now. Remove the second earpad in the same way. Next, take grandmother toothbrush and clean all parts. Also remove the speaker fabric grills and clean them. Any hair or debris on the speaker can cause distorted sound. Just remember to put the toothbrush back when you're done cleaning. Now, put back the speaker fabric grills. Take the new foam filter and center it on the speaker housing. Then place the new, clean earpad on top. To lock it in place, press around several points until it clicks securely into position. Another option is to install the earpad first without the foam filter, and then insert the filter afterward. You can also use the headphones without these foam filters if you prefer. And that's the result, a fresh look and improved comfort.